Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the data within your Mini Militia game. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to clear all of your game progress from within the Mini Militia game, then you will need to clear the game data. So in order to do this, just long press on the Mini Militia game application and you will find the application info button at the top right. Just tap on this and you will end up within the app info page. From this page, just scroll down and tap on force stop at the bottom right and tap on OK to stop the app first. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and from the storage menu tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on delete to clear all of your user data from the Mini Militia game. After you clear all of these data, when you open up the game once again, you will be asked to re-log in and all of your progress that you have so far will be removed. But if you wish to get that back, you can simply log into your online account within which all of these progress have been saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your data on the Mini Militia game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.